So the subcontractors, some people, they put it in upside down, or they didn't put it in upside down. It's just not handed to the door. So if it's upside down like this and you want to hand it correctly, the instructions are pretty bad. So you take your, in theory, this is in the kit. It wasn't in my kit today. This is a 3/32 Allen key. And the first time you use it, when you put it in, you put it in from the side, get it snug in there and left to loosen. The problem is it is really tight the first time. So you got to give it a crack. And let's see if we got this now. Here we go. So we loosen it off. And remember, sometimes it sticks, so you just push in the latch. Now, we want to hand it, so we want to go the opposite way. So I know which way I want to put it. I put a little mark in here, so we know this will be the new up. I just put a little scratch there, so I know that's up. And it's got a little clip on it here that holds the cylinder in, so we just put a little bit of pressure there. There's where we got this. Here we go. Just take my little flathead. So remove it. Take this out. Turn it around. This goes back in. When that's in all the way, it's, as we're turning it, see this little piece coming out here? That's what holds the handle on. So left to loosen. So we get that in there. Let's put the handle on. Make sure it's flush. Put 3/32. Tighten it up. Snug. And now we can reinstall it. Again, it's like a half moon in there. To get it in there, I just kind of push the latch in a little bit, makes it easier. And we're lucky this went right on. Sometimes you got to adjust this a little bit. Tighten it back up. Again, we're in the business of snug, not over tight. So now we have handed it to the door. Quick, easy, fast, and it looks good when you have your installation where everything's correct. I hate it when I go into some places and it's upside down, it's back, it's either they're upside down or right side up, it's 50-50. Out of the box, it's 50-50, it's going to be perfect. If it's not complicated, all you have to do is get a 3/30 seconds Allen key, undo it, left to loosen, pull it off, rekey it. So it's really easy. Or it's not to rekey it, to hand it to the door.